it, subscribe to the channel, and keep watching. Hey creatives, hey, welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone is safe and having an amazing day. Today is the day I go out and look for some furniture. Yes, for my family room. So I'm in my car now and I'm on my way to Ashley's Furniture. So if you guys want to tag along, I'll pick you up when I get there. See you in a bit. Alright guys, I'm at Ashley Furniture and I'm on my way in. Ooh, save $100 for every $1,000. That's the sign I see going in. And I'm about to head in and see what I can find. Let's go. That's nice. This is nice. Look over here. This look like what I already have. That's kind of low though. I like it. This is cute. You want gray. Don't like that at all. Nope. Don't like this kind of furniture at all. No. Let's see. I can get with this. Something about that fabric I'm not sure about. Gray. I like this. Like this. Green on the end, right end. Let's see. Now we're going to just take a quick trip to Bob's and see what they have to offer. I can't afford it. I do like the fact that Bob's do have different colors other than your gray or your cream color. I want something a medium color, like a taupe. I'm not sure, but nothing too light. Like this. That's nice. You like that? I like this, Ricky. I like the way it's cut out on the side. Modular furniture. But it's kind of low. That's kind of nice too. Oh, look at this one, Ricky. What about this one? What about this one? What about this one? Not the floor. Get up. This kind of low. Yeah, grandma can't sit too low. Grandma got to sit high. I don't like this. That's too big.
Wait.
What?
Soft. It is soft?
Yeah, that's soft.
Is that one soft?
Hmm?
It is soft?
Soft. This is nice. This one's nice too. But I don't like these. I'm not a fan of that. Oh, Ricky, did we look at this one? Green. It's kind of low too. I would have to raise it. Everything is so low. What about this? $2,000. This is nice.
It's kind of low.
So I want this end to be a little bit longer. Okay. So family, I'm home from furniture shopping and I have chosen two. I did go to Bob's Furniture. Between the two, I did find something that I like and I'm going to go ahead, order that and have it delivered. It's going to be about 2 weeks. So if you want to see what furniture I chose, you got to come back in a couple of weeks. So do stay tuned. Again, thank you all for watching. Make sure you hype this video, like this video, comment on this video, share this video with a friend, and come back to see my next one. Thank you all again for watching and have a fantastic day. God bless you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.